In the heart of urban living, where every inch of space is precious, nurturing a passion for growing plants can be both challenging and demanding. But now, it's possible. Introducing Bloomiee, the smart plant-growing Copilot that transforms the corner of your small space into a thriving oasis. Bloomiee is a state-of-the-art indoor grow control system designed to monitor and manage crop growing from the palm of your hand. Comprised of fully customizable monitoring components, Bloomiee can adapt to any indoor farming setup. Whether it's outside, in a tent, a closet, or a corner of your apartment, Bloomiee adjusts climate and irrigation based on sensor data, ensuring an ideal growing environment. With just a few taps on your phone, you can seamlessly monitor and control the growth of all your crops from anywhere. It's like having a green thumb on autopilot. Bloomiee ensures your plants are always perfectly watered with its advanced irrigation control and soil monitoring. Its automatic system prevents both dryness and overwatering, correcting irrigation errors for hassle-free gardening. Growing in a tent can often present concerns of excessive humidity, leading to mold, mildew, and diseases. With Bloomie's integrated climate sensor that remotely monitors your vent, maintaining optimal humidity levels for your plants is effortless, eliminating any humidity-related worries while tent growing. From heavenly herbs to vibrant veggies, Bloomiee creates a perfect environment for plants to not only look great, but taste great too. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Bloomiee is your key to unlocking your own secret garden oasis. Embrace the joy of growing effortlessly and let Bloomiee be your green companion. It's time to meet the future of urban growing. Bloomiee.